We are going to now discuss about my products page. To access that page, we are going from this button. We have our product, my product page to link in our header. We add a item to my products, and we set href to my product PHP to this one. Then when we select the my product, we have that page. Let's see how is the our design is coded in our my product PHP. We have start our session in PHP script and require a connection, and we have checked is there a user with that session to confirm that user are our register ones, and we assign those values, and we have our HTML tag, and we linked our sheets, and also we have icon in that page. Then we have a background color as this color, and we have get our container fluid class to get all the area in window. Then we have a row to divide all those ones, and in my product page we have a header. Then in that header we have 12 column and background set as a primary. We can see their background as a primary color, and we have our profile image and our name and email and title of that page, and we have a button in that page. We can see there in that 12 column we divide that 12 to 4 in that class. Then we set a row, and we divide that 4 column to another 4, and set margins and text are centered. Then we search. We have set our image. And we looked our database if there are a profile image which users set. If there are image, then we have, if there are image this have true, then we fetch as our image path. Then we set image path as our result path in this line, and we set width and height, and class as a round circle. We can see there as a round circle, and we have that image. If there are no image set, that user, if we show our default image which in our resource folder, we have our logo SVG. We have shown this one. Then we get call 8 to display that our username and email, and to that we divide that using our row and set a text center, and text start when we write. Then we set margin top as 4 to set that margin, and we got our first name and last name using that PHP script which in our session, and we have that two names, first name and last name, and in next line we got 12 and set our email by using our variable email which we define in initially in our session. Then we have that session which is middle one, that part that part our my product title, we set that margin top and too small and for large as a 4, and offset, and text color as a white and bold. Then we have our add product button. If we on click that button, then window location, window has go to that location which add new product PHP, and that button color as warning and font weight bold. We can see there, if we click that, we have add new product page. Then we have our body. In body class, we got all 12, and row we set row to divide, and in that 12 we got 2 column 4 large device, and set margin X 3, margin Y as a 3, and we set a border color as rounded. We can see there margin X, margin Y, and margin X we have, and border rounded we set, and we have that our this quantity and condition sectors. We in first we set a row to divide that one, and we set a margin top and FS font size as a 5, and we set a row, and we got a 12 column, that's mean that 12 column, and set product. Then we have our that section, and we set input field as a placeholder search, and class as a form control and setter ID. And we have that search icon. By using that itag, we can see there. We can see the search button and input field, and then active time, and those are mm, we have that one active time, and then we have HR and set width as 80%. We can see there 80% width, that HR tag line, and we have that newest and old. That one is radio, home check class and input. Then we have that name as R1, and for that input field we can set that label to that input field as a newest to oldest, and next one oldest to newest. We can see the oldest, newest, that label to this one, and this checkbox to this label, and same in by quantity and high to low, and we have low to high we set, and condition same, then brand new, same checkbox. We can see there all, and we have two button in the last in our div. We can see the used one, and we have that short and clear buttons. We have G2 class and row, and we have large 6 columns to divide that one, and we have same size that button in one line that we set in that 6 column, and we done that one, and we have after that 2 columns we got large 9 to display this one. We can see there we have a background color, and in product in that div we have background color as a white, and we set margins and set row to divide that, and we have a short ID. Then we have that our results, that we have that card as, and we set 12 and 2 large 6. We can see there we have got 6 columns for large device and 2 small device. We got 12 columns. Then we set our parameters in that that product. We have that product title and span to our product price and product quantity, and all those are shown in that product we set in this one, and in our Last part, we have that update button and delete button as previous we discussed, and we have our uh, status check, our status check button in our what form switch, and we have that checkbox, and we have to it as a role as a switch. We can select is that product is active or available or non-available from that line. And then we done that card line, and we have our pagination part in the last. We have that we set it in that unordered list. We got the offset and large 50 and get 8 columns and text center, and we have navbar, and in navbar we have unordered list and pagination class and justify content center, and we have list page item. Then in the list we have that link to all others pages one by one. We generate that one by one using for loop. We have first previous button and last next button. We code that next and last button in that in those lines. We have that next and previous button. That's how we design our my product page, and thank you.